नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। वेलकम टू इंडस फूड सर, हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
So it has been a good experience here. We have been participating for many years, and the show is only growing, getting bigger, getting larger. People have started to look as the show for Indian food products. So many people now don't go to Gulf food, but come for the Indian products too, Indusfood. So it's been a good show.
And sir, tell me something about your product range.
So we are a 60-year-old business. We are India's largest pickle business. We are largest candied fruit, tutti frutti business in the world. Ginger garlic paste, we are also the largest. So we are meal accompaniment and kitchen accompaniment company. And yeah, we are a pan-India distributor and we export to about 32 countries.
And sir, what are the products that are in pipeline?
There are certain innovations that we are trying to do in the spice category, in the sauce and pickle categories, just to see how do we either use the tradition of India and take those traditions to the consumer, or we make the unorganized sector or the home consumption converted into the processed food segment. So these are some of the innovations we are working.
And sir, in your opinion, how these kinds of events are important for food processing industry?
No, these are very very important event because sales में marketing में यही कहा जाता है जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So once people come here, they get to see the products displayed. The same buyers who might be buying certain products from us might not be buying the other range, but when they come and they see अच्छा ये भी आता है, and they start buying those items. Yeah.